This program aims to provide Muslim learners with appropriate and relevant educational opportunities while recognizing their cultural context and unique purposes for participating in the K-12 program offerings. So this be letter A, Indigenous Peoples Education Program. Letter B, DepEd Computerization Program. Letter C, Madrasa Education Program. Or letter D, Adopt a School Program. Ilagay po yung ating item number and the letter of your choice. Sabi ni Ma'am Rona May dito sa Facebook, letter C. Letter C din, sabi ni Ma'am Camille Fernandez. Ganon din si Ma'am Wena Day Panagdato, Ma'am Rose V, letter C. Sabi naman ng ating team SPLE, letter C din. And of course, that is tumpak. Okay, assalamualaikum po sa lahat ng ating mga Muslim brothers and sisters. Naku, ang dami nating estudyante dyan, no, na Muslim, lalong-lalo na Zamboanga, no, sa Dakong, Mindanao, at yung mga nasa Middle East din po. No? So magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Of course, so when you say madrasa, this is an Islamic term. No? So Arabic term siya for school, okay? So madrasa education program po ang ating hinahanap, okay? So letter C is tumpak, no? So hindi po siya indigenous people, no? This is a general term. Hindi din siya computerization, hindi din siya adopt a school. Ang adopt a school program po, ginagawa ito ng ating mga private companies, for example, no? Ina-adapt nila, or private school po pwede din, ina-adapt nila yung isang public school, tinutulungan nila, okay? So pinifinance nila, that's your adopt a school program. But for number 9, letter C is tumpak.